Part 7. Blow plus injection molding factory setup. Business consideration. Manufacturing of water bottles with blow molding machines and respective closures with injection molding machines, and the product can be sold into rural market. First, we will see what are the resources are needed which are common to blow and injection molding. Number 1, an industrial shade is needed. Area depends on the size of business. It is not advisable to have in a residential area, as the byproduct of the setup is noise and a light smell of molten plastics, which can attract legal objection in near future. Number 2, a water storage is needed. Size depends on the number of machines. Number 3, water chiller plus pump set. Chilled water is required to be circulated through molds for curing the molten plastics to bring it to actual article. Number 4, water pipeline. Inlet and outlet circuit should be separate. Number 5, air compressor. An air compressor can be piston type, which is low cost but noisy machine. Screw type compressor is costly but comparatively silent.
Almost there on that gauge.
Number 6, air dryers, which are used for removing moisture from the compressed air. As in blow molding, a moisture in the air can affect the product quality. Number 7, pallet trucks, which are used for raw material and mold movement. Number 8, material mixer, which is used to mix plastic granules, and master batch. Master batch is color granules which are used in a very low percentage. Number 9, scrap granulator. Size and type depends on the quantity and material type. It is used for regrinding the leftover from blow molding and runners from injection molding for further reuse. Number 10, storage racks and pallets, which are used to store raw material and finished goods. Number 11, mold cleaning area. It is a washing area, but it should be with grease trap. As per environment policies of India, grease traps are mandatory. Number 12, three-phase power supply. A connection capacity depends on the number of machines and utilities. In addition to blow molding machine and molds and injection machines and molds, some supporting systems can help our product to be more aesthetically attractive. Those can be: number one, pad printing or screen printing facility, which can be used to print the bottles look more attractive. Number two, hot stamping facility, which can be used to decorate the closures. Number three, shrink tunnels, which can be used for transparent printed full labels to be applied on the bottles. After planning for all these technical resources, we must complete the legal formalities. Number one, we should have a factory license. Number two, we should have an occupation certificate to show the building is fit for our factory setup. Number three, environment license, which will indicate that our business is not polluting the environment. Number four, fire safety license, which will indicate that our factory is ready for any unlikely event of fire. Number five, GST registration, goods and service tax registration. Number six, Udyam registration, which is the registration of our business at the Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises. And number seven, PAN registration. It is optional. If the factory or the business is partnership type, then PAN registration is mandatory. Above all, requirements for the business to start are basic requirements. On actual ground, the requirements may vary case to case basis.